How are you all? I hope you all are really peaceful and are trying your best to be mindful. Wait, what? Be mindful? What does that even mean? What are you saying, Fatma Zishan? Well, don't get confused, please, because that's what we're going to be discussing today. Cultivating gratitude every single day. And this is kind of like the secrets of being happiness, but even better. Okay, actually being happy, not happiness. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment. And you're going to be like, what do you mean fully present in the moment? Well, when combined with gratitude, it transforms how we see life. Together, they bring peace, balance, and joy. So basically, you stop worrying about what is going to happen in the future or what happened before. You stop overthinking. You stop thinking about things that already happened and awkward situations and embarrassing stuff, and you just let everything go. And you observe everything around you, the beauty of nature or man made things, of studies, and of your knowledge, and all of the good moments in life, and also try to make every moment the best. How you're going to do that? Well, first of all, you have to know what is mindfulness. It means paying attention to now without judgment. It helps us slow down and notice the beauty in everyday life. With mindfulness, gratitude naturally follows. And actually, when you were young, like when you were a baby, you learned how to talk and observe just from the start. But as we grow older, we start witnessing some bad things and then stuff like that. And then we just start moving on our lives and we don't care about the beauty of the present and the everyday things. We just think of them as boring because they're happening every single day. But they're not boring just because they're happening every single day, because there's always something that you're not noticing in the everyday things, like even your house. You wouldn't remember every single detail, every single beauty that the architecture has captured, the interior designing, and everything, and learning from every single moment, even. So, without even having to study or anything. So, mindfulness and gratitude work hand in hand. When we notice the present, we appreciate life more deeply. Gratitude becomes a natural response to awareness. You know, our brain only focuses on what we want it to focus on. Like, for instance, if you're just focusing on your phone and then all the beauty of the places just surrounding you, then like your phone is obviously fake and it's made to divert your attention, so you don't care about your surroundings, you only care about your phone. Or let's say you care about the bad embarrassing moments. Well, you don't care about them, but they are pestering you. Well, instead, you know what you could do? Relax, look at the beauty, look at the colors, and use your imagination to make them even better. Use your free time, not on the phone, but actually doing something meaningful. Bye.